Hello there. One of numerous studies to show how hard it is to identify in advance a fund manager that will outperform over the long term was conducted by Cambridge Judge Business School in 2014. What the researchers wanted to find out was whether it was possible for fund managers themselves to spot talent in each other and perhaps benefit from copying what talented managers do.
As a normal investor, someone who's not a fund manager, how do I find a good fund manager? What I'll do is maybe I'll look up his rankings, maybe I'll look at his portfolio holding, maybe I'll say this manager has been the best manager over the last 3 years or 5 years, consistently beaten his benchmark for the last 3 years. So, but what other information do I have? Not very much. But fund managers are in the same business. They hang out with each other. They go to pubs together. They may not discuss their trades, but they discuss, you talk to people and you can figure out pretty fast who are smart people and who are not smart people.
It seems logical to think that if anyone can spot a future star manager, it's their peers. But the Cambridge study shows that fund managers are just as bad as the rest of us at spotting talent.
It turns out, according to our study, that the people who copy are pretty much what we call desperate fund managers. They are managers who have not done very well. They've suffered an outflow of funds over the last 1 year. They have funds that have underperformed. They have usually large fees. So now here's the problem. You're a fund manager in a pretty bad state. You have no money to spend on research. You have no money to spend to hire an analyst of your own. What do? One possibility might be to find superior fund managers and just copy their trades. But how do you pick? Who do you know is a superior fund manager? What we should see are that the fund managers whom you copy don't necessarily have good performance before you start copying them, but they should have good performance after you start copying them. That means you've identified the people who public information will not tell is a good fund manager or not, but private information will say is a good manager or not. We don't find that. What we find is copycats copy funds with good past performance. They copy funds which are exactly the kind of funds that you and I would copy with no information about these funds at all.
All this goes to show once again that trying to pick future winners in advance is a thankless task. Far better simply to capture market returns with a low-cost, passively managed portfolio. Thank you for watching.